Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through connecting TapSwap to the Tonkeeper wallet app. It's a simple and easy process, so let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your apps. Make sure you have both the Tonkeeper wallet app and the Telegram app downloaded and installed on your phone. Step 2. Set up Tonkeeper wallet. Launch the Tonkeeper wallet app. If you don't have an account yet, create one by following the in-app setup instructions. Task Step 3. Access TapSwap via Telegram. Open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap the search icon at the top right corner. Type TapSwap in the search bar and select the official TapSwap bot from the results. Tap Start Now to open the TapSwap website within Telegram. Step 4. Connect your wallet. On the TapSwap page, find and tap the Connect Wallet option. From the list of wallet options, select Tonkeeper. This will redirect you to the Tonkeeper wallet app. Confirm the connection request by selecting Connect Wallet. Authenticate with your passcode or fingerprint. And that's it. You've successfully connected TapSwap to your Tonkeeper wallet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.